Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I thought I would do a realistic cleaning today. We're going to be working on the kitchen and the bathroom. I have a little DIY project for a coat hanger that I had made. We're just going to repaint it. I had this thing for a very long time. So yeah, I hope you guys stay tuned. We're going to walk you along through the process and some cleaning motivation. Like and subscribe. So while I'm scrubbing off this meatloaf from this pan from the night before, I let it soak in Dawn Power Wash before I scrubbed it down. What are you guys doing for this summer, and what do you do with your kids during the summer? Do y'all go to pools? Do you go on vacations? Comment below what you guys are interested in. That's what I'm thinking about here is, do I need to get some sidewalk chalk? I'm thinking about getting a small pool for the kids to play in during the summertime. But comment below what you guys do for summertime to keep your children entertained. Okay, so now that I'm getting all the kitchen set and putting away all of the dishes, I'm going to move on to scrubbing this pan out. If you'd seen before, that little scrubber, I'm going to link it below. It helps pull off any stuck on meat or cheese. You just run it across the bottom of it and it's going to take off anything that's stuck, and it's a whole lot better than using your fingernails to try to pull it off. But yeah, let's get started on this, and then next we're going to get moving on to the bathroom and get that all cleaned up. Okay, so this is something that I've been wanting to do for a while. Yes, that is black mold. It's on the blinds and it's on the ceilings. We purchased this house a couple of months ago, so I didn't have time to clean it off, but we're working on getting it all fixed up and cleaned. I'm using vinegar water because I've heard that that will kill the spores in it, but I sprayed the entire thing down and scrubbed it off, and I'm hoping that will fix it. I absolutely hate these blinds. I'm hoping to upgrade them soon because they're like bamboo, and every time I go to fix them, it's like I'm constantly straightening them. They don't never stay in place. So what do you guys recommend for blinds in your house? I've been looking at Lowe's and I can't seem to find one that I like, but I'm thinking I want a set of white ones that you can, open and close at ease. Okay, so I did use Clorox wipes to wipe the blinds down because I wanted something to be able to throw away, because there's no way that I would have kept that rag to wipe the rest of my counters away. I would have just thrown it away. So tip on cleaning your ceilings, especially if they do have that, I did spray this down with vinegar and water, but I used a Swiffer mop because, again, I wanted something that I can throw away. I don't want to reuse anything that I've used on, a little bit of mold. This was not that bad, honestly. I just wanted to clean it off for my sanity. I just needed to get it clean. So that's a trick if you guys are looking to clean your ceilings and your walls and they might have some of that on there, that you can just throw those away. And I scrubbed the entire wall and the ceiling down with this. Check your bathrooms because you really don't know what's on your ceilings, especially in a high condensation area that collects, water or any kind of moisture. I also pulled the vent down and cleaned that off as well because it was disgusting, and that might have been the reason why it wasn't pulling off the correct all the moisture up through it because it was dirty. I forgot to film that, but I did pull the air vent down and clean it off too as well. It had a bunch of dust on it. Okay, so one of my least favorite things to do is cleaning the toilet. I'm glad I got that squared away. But a little trick to all of my new mamas on here and ones that are just trying to figure out ideas, I bought this little basket at a thrift store and I put mine and my daughter's feminine goods in it, and it makes it such a pretty little detail on the back of, I put mine on the back of the toilet. And then we're going to move on to the shower. This is my last thing that I do. I don't know why. It's just my routine. I do spray the caddy holes with Dawn dish power soap because it does pull off that purple shampoo for all of my blonde girlies or anyone using a toner in the shower. You get that, purple residue left on the caddies. So that's a trick that you can use to Okay, so I scrubbed down the inside and the outside of the shower, and I thought this was a cool trick. If you have one of these sliding glasses or you live in an RV, pull that thing off and just reach your hand over top to rinse off all of the soap on the windows, because I was sitting here thinking, like, I'm not going to stand in there and rinse that off. But I thought it was a cool trick. Okay, so now that I've got all that cleaning done, here is my DIY project. I used to have this hanging in my tack room, that's why it's red and blue, but I'm going to transfer it over into the house for my coats and stuff in the back door. But I thought I'd share with you guys, I got this Rust-Oleum paint from Lowe's. It's rust resistant and it's black because that's the color that I wanted it. But I thought I'd share with you guys this little project. I'm going to repaint it and then hang it on the wall for our coats. And we're going to wrap this vlog up. This is the end. Thank you guys for staying tuned this far. If you have, subscribe to my channel. It helps me out so much. I hope you guys have a wonderful weekend. I try to upload vlogs every week, so stay tuned for the ones coming up. I do horse vlogs, mom hacks, cleaning videos. So yeah, I hope you guys have a wonderful weekend, and I hope to see you next time.